Hey y'all, my name is Sarah. I'm with Sarah's Wifestyle, okay? I have a lifestyle, family blog, and other random-ish. I'm a whole licensed esthetician, and your girl is educated too, okay? Like, degrees. So I got a lot going on, you guys, and I try to film everything. I have a mommy makeover coming up, and I know that y'all will enjoy my channel, okay? So go ahead and check out my video, and I do a lot of cleaning stuff. So I'll see you guys over there at my channel, and I'll see y'all later.
Yo, it's dead in this town. You know, it's crazy. Gotta shake things up. For real. Let's go.
Quiet nights, there is no sound. Who needs a life with no fun around?
All right, everybody. Truths. Y'all, these kids done did me wrong today. Check out my living room. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? This is the way their company. Normally, you know, I would snap out a little bit and let them know it's not going down like that today. But just to get them out my face, y'all, they had to. I just let them go. Look at this. They haven't did anything. Somebody ain't been doing their chores. So, you know, I'm going to go ahead and break it down for you guys. I'm going to play. Oh, yeah, and I'm sorry. I have... I'm multitasking. Everything I do, I multitask. I just got done cleaning the kitchen. I did laundry. Am doing laundry. I cooked the lasagna. Video will probably be out before this one or not. And now I am deep conditioning my hair, and I'm going to do a hot oil treatment for a whole nother video. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this to the back so I can get my mind right for this clean. Alright, you guys, I'm about to make it do what it do. My music finna be playing. I might break it down for y'all, but y'all ain't gonna be able to hear the music. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this party started, okay? family, we're coming to an end. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell your mama, daddy, sister, brother, auntie, uncle to come by here and see MsTrue Redbone. I am not a secret. Share, share, share. And remember, make sure that you're subscribed and those notification bells are set to all. Thanks so much and have a great night.